Every single day, billions of cups of coffee are enjoyed around the world.
Welcome to Mega Factory Universe. Today, we follow the incredible journey of coffee from mountain farms to your morning cup.
Coffee begins its journey on carefully cultivated mountain farms, where ideal climate and rich soil produce only perfectly ripe cherries are hand-picked to ensure the highest quality coffee.
Freshly harvested coffee cherries are transported quickly to the processing facility to preserve their natural quality.
Within hours of harvesting, the cherries arrive at the processing factory, where their transformation begins.
The first stage inside the factory is unloading, where fresh coffee cherries begin their carefully controlled processing journey.
Freshly harvested coffee cherries are carefully washed to remove dust, leaves, and natural impurities before processing begins.
Specialized machines gently remove the outer fruit, exposing the coffee beans inside, without damaging their delicate structure.
During fermentation, natural enzymes remove the remaining fruit coating while helping develop the coffee's unique flavor profile.
The beans are gently dried until they reach the precise moisture level required for premium coffee production.
The protective outer layer is removed, revealing premium green coffee beans ready for inspection.
Advanced optical sorting systems inspect every bean. This ensures only the highest quality coffee continues to the roasting stage. Before roasting begins, every batch is tested to ensure it meets strict quality and consistency standards.
Carefully controlled roasting unlocks the rich aroma, deep color, and complex flavors hidden inside every coffee bean. Immediately after roasting, the beans are cooled quickly to preserve their flavor and prevent over-roasting. Industrial grinders produce a consistent particle size, ensuring balanced flavor in every cup. Every package is filled with precision to guarantee consistent weight and exceptional freshness.
Vacuum sealing and nitrogen flushing help preserve freshness, aroma, and flavor during storage and transport.
Robotic packaging systems prepare every carton for safe and efficient distribution.
Finished cartons are stacked, secured, cured, and prepared for their journey to customers around the world.
Finished coffee is carefully stored in climate-controlled warehouses, ensuring every package remains fresh before shipment.
Modern warehouse logistics move every shipment efficiently while protecting product quality. Each shipment is carefully loaded and inspected before beginning its journey to retailers worldwide.
From this factory, freshly processed coffee begins its journey to homes, cafes, and
After an incredible journey, every package is ready to bring the rich taste of freshly roasted coffee to your home.
Every careful step, from harvesting to roasting, comes together in one perfect cup of coffee.
Every product has a story. Join us next time as we step inside another extraordinary factory.